We all have busy lives and a great cup of coffee. It can be the key to starting your day. Except when it gets cold, submit the Nextmug. Temperature-controlled self-heating cup. Simply choose your preferred temperature. Smart cup for 1 hour. Technology keeps your hot drink at the perfect temperature. For hours, it is very easy to use this cup. Super simple onboard control button easily turns mug on/off and sets temperature. Takes only seconds to set the mug to your perfect temperature every time you use. Perfect temperature. Keep your hot beverage at the perfect temperature. Simply select warm, 130, hot, 140, or piping, 150, and enjoy for hours. Smart mug technology. Long-lasting battery and sensors maintain ideal temperature. LED lights display battery life and real-time temperature. Includes auto-off technology and charging coaster.